Alright everyone, I'm going to be talking to you guys again about Sqeeqee.com. That's Sqeeqee.com. If you haven't heard about it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the background of Sqeeqee as a website as a whole, and a little bit about a specific feature, which today is going to be the SqeekBox, which is really cool. I'll get into that whole thing, but before doing that, I'll tell you what Sqeeqee.com is. At its core, they focus on social net worthing, not social networking. I'm talking about social net worthing, meaning you can actually earn cash, earn some dollars just clicking on the site, going through different things, and posting on people's walls, liking stuff, going through the shops. Anything you do on the site, you're actually taking another step towards another dollar earned. So it's really cool, really innovative, something I've personally never seen anywhere else on the web, but they have it on Sqeeqee.com. So it's really cool. Make sure to check that out, you guys, if you haven't heard of it. If your friends haven't heard of it, make sure to tell them. There's always options on Sqeeqee to share, to post, to send to your friends, links to the site, to your wall. So make sure to do that so they see it. The second thing on Sqeeqee, or the second thing I always make sure to tell you guys about Sqeeqee, is that it's a place where there's so many different things from around the web in one hub, in one site, which is Sqeeqee.com. So many things that you would need, tons of other sites open and tabs open to take care of a task for a single day. On Sqeeqee, they have everything in one place, which is why I have so many of these videos. There's so many different features. The one I'm talking about today, as I said previously, is the SqeekBox. And what the SqeekBox is unlimited cloud storage, and it's absolutely free to use. So those two things usually aren't said in the same sentence or talked about in the same about the same website, because it's very rare that someone offers both. So it's an unlimited cloud storage, and it's absolutely free. If you don't know what cloud storage is, it's actually really cool. It's a way to store and save things, not just on a desktop, but it's called the cloud because it's seemingly up in the air. You can store it on Sqeeqee, and then any other laptop, tablet, mobile device you use, all you do is log into your Sqeeqee account, and it'll be right there. So you can download it to the next desktop, whether it be an image, a video, whatever you want to put in the cloud, a document, whatever you want to use it for. It's definitely very useful, very easy to use. And actually right now I'll turn the camera to my page and show you exactly how to use it, and I'll give you guys a step-by-step. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you guys the SqeekBox. Of course, this is my front page. It's my wall. This is what I see when I log in. The very first thing I always show you guys when I show you the feature, it's always the info button, just in case you want to take a look later, just in case you want to see for yourself what exactly the different features are, what all the things I'm going to be talking about if you want to check it out later. This little I button right there does just that. It says Sqeeqee's own cloud storage and file sharing feature, offering users unlimited storage and various sharing capabilities. So that's pretty much in a nutshell. If you guys don't want to watch the full video later on, or if you want to just do your own thing, you can come by, take a look, click the little I, and it gives you a little background, a little bit of info on the SqeekBox in case you want to check that out later. But let me click it. Of course, to get to Sqeeqee's SqeekBox, you go to Home, and then you come down to obviously where it says SqeekBox. And in here, for you guys, if you haven't done it, or if you haven't used it, it'll just be blank. These two things a little bit earlier. I was testing it out just so when I make this video, there's a reference or a jumping off point. But it will be blank down here until you guys add stuff to it. The first thing I did was add a folder, and then this is just the image, just like a wallpaper, I guess. But I'll show you how I did that. Of course, Sqeeqee, it's absolutely free. It's really cool. It's something that you can't find very many places elsewhere. It's a free, unlimited cloud storage. You can pull it out any desktop, any phone, anywhere on the planet really that has the internet connection. You can pull up what you need on the Sqeeqee page, even if it's not saved to the desktop. So it's really cool. The first thing I'm going to show you guys, to upload a file like this one right here, that's just a file just a wallpaper, so it has a weird name. It's nothing that I named. But if you wanted to upload it, I'll show you guys. I'll upload a different wallpaper. All you do is click upload. This brings you to the different things. These are all just different wallpapers I have on my computer. Let's just say I want this one. It's just a lion. You click it really quick. It gets uploaded to the SqeekBox, and you're given these options. The first one, well, obviously if you want to view it, you can click this link and it takes you straight to the link for the uploaded file. The second one is if you want to send by email, you click that button and it takes you here to, if you've seen my email video, it's the same thing. It gives you 3 options. Well, I guess to send the email, it gives you the one option to subject. You put the message. You can attach another file if you would like. Maybe if you have more files in the SqeekBox to send, you can do it there. And of course, different things on the top right. You can check your received messages and your sent messages. Now going back to, oops, so that's the wallpaper that I have there. Going back to the actual page that I was at, if you don't want to send by email, you have 3 other options you can always choose from. The next one is to post on wall. Now that gives you an option. Let me click it. It gives you the option to post on your wall or a buddy's wall. The different ways that you can do that. If you want to just post it to your wall, let your friends see what you're up to, let them see what you're posting, you just leave this blank. You leave it empty. You click post on wall and it goes straight to your page, straight to your wall. Your friends can see what you're doing. If you want one of your buddies, or if you want to send it to a buddy's wall, you type in their name, you select them. Let me see if I have yeah, see, there you go. So this gives you this is actually Jenny Qtot, so that's pretty cool. If I wanted to send it to her wall, you can do that. As you type in more letters, more people pop up, and you click them, post it on their wall, and you go from there. The next thing here, send SMS, you click that and it takes you to this page or this prompt, and you type in a number. You can send it straight to their mobile, send them a quick message with that item uploaded already for them, and really easy and really simple. And the last one here is the share it button. This gives you 3 options. You can say you don't want to post it on your wall, you want to post it on a wall elsewhere. Sqeeqee's always really cool and selfless, how they always work with other sites around the web. So if you want to share it to the Facebook, the Twitters, the LinkedIns, you can share up to 3 files. With LinkedIn, you can share 1 for Facebook and Twitter. So if you did want to use another site for whatever reason, you can always do that as well. Now, let's say you don't want to do anything with it yet. You just want to have it and keep it. After you upload it, you don't have to click one of these 4. You don't have to. You can always save it for later. The top right here, the X, you click that, and here you go. It's put right down here. You can click it and it'll take you to it. That's the wallpaper that I had. And you have the same options to the right here. You can click share, which takes you to this page that we were just at. You can click download. So if you're, maybe tomorrow, if you're on a different laptop or a different desktop and you want to download it to that computer, you click download. Or if you're done with it, you hit the trash can and it deletes it altogether. Now the next thing, and pretty much the last thing for the SqeekBox, is to create a folder. Let's say you have hundreds and hundreds of different things on your SqeekBox and you want to keep it organized and keep it neat and tidy. You have different folders, so it's not just a long list of different things. This one I clicked test. I guess let me delete it and do it over just so I can show you the process. It's very simple and very easy. Up here, create folder, and all you do is, like I said, it's really user-friendly and easy. I click test because this is just a test one. Let's say I wanted to make one for different wallpapers because I have these 2. I'll do that. But for now, I'll just do test. Create, and boom, you did it. It took 2 seconds. So it's really easy. You open up the folder, and right now it's empty. But let's say I wanted to add a bunch of things to it. I'll just click a bunch of wallpapers in here and add them. Maybe I'll just do one more for time's sake. And there it is. So now I have 4 different items in this folder. Now let's see if I go back, all the way back to my SqeekBox. See, I have the 2 originally, and then this test folder, which now holds these 4. So you can click on them and do the same things as everything else. You can keep uploading, you can keep doing everything you've already been doing. And of course, at the top, oops, let me not click it yet. And the top, you can sort them if you have hundreds and hundreds and you want to be organized even further. Click that top right and it gives you different ways to filter A to Z, date uploaded, all that kind of stuff. Now that's the gist of it. That's everything for SqeekBox. But before I let you go, I'll show you guys a quick way. If you don't want to go to the top left, just really quick, right here, right on your home page, you can click the SqeekBox prompt and it takes you straight there. It takes you right to where we were just at. So that's another quick way to get to where you want to go. And that's the SqeekBox, you guys. That's in a nutshell. It's everything. It's really cool. Unlimited storage. It's completely free. If you have any other questions, always make sure to hit me up on Sqeeqee. Ask me anything, and I'll always get back to you guys. And I will make sure to catch you guys on Sqeeqee.